Good morning, guys! Today is another day and it's already 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Tapos na tayo mag-shower, mag-prepare and all. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa breakfast area and let's see kung ano yung ma-offer nila sa atin for today's breakfast. Samahan niyo ako. And then after mag-breakfast, magpa-prepare na tayo. Papak natin yung final things na dadalhin natin going to Sapa, Vietnam. So let's go. Wait lang natin yung elevator kasi nasa 9th floor yung breakfast buffet area nila. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa breakfast buffet and ito yung mga pagkain nila. Avocado cota. We have homemade yogurt. Ang cute to, para siyang milk. So they have their Vietnamese posh lemongrass, smoked salmon, and we have sweet corn here. Steamed pork and shrimp noodles with rice. We have gak, crab stitch, sushi omelette. And of course they have their salad. Their pancakes and everything. Then meron din sila ditong a la carte menu. So pwede tayo mag-order dito using their menu. So pili lang muna tayo ng pwede nating ma-order tapos i-serve nila sa atin yun. Tapos pwede na tayo mag-start mag-breakfast. So guys, ito muna yung kinuha natin for breakfast. And then we ordered buncha. It will be served this thing first. This is the pork bun with rice noodles. It's very flavorful. Masarap siya. Now let's try the chicken one. Grabe yung ano niya. Grabe yung flavor. Ang sarap. Grabe, ang sarap. And this one, the typical Vietnamese spring roll with rice noodles. Masarap din siya pero mas malasa yung unang dalawa. So. Pero yung nakain kong spring rolls with rice noodles nun sa Ho Chi Minh. The best. The best. Alright guys, tapos tayo mag-breakfast and we're going back to our room. I must say na masarap yung pagkain. And ang lamig. Nakabukas yung balcony on, diba? Lamig. Good morning, Hanoi. Oh, there's a little fog. Not sure kung nakikita niyo pero try natin i-zoom. There. Foggy. Super cold. So let's just prepare and check out because we are bound for Sapa. Okay guys, we are done preparing and we are going to the lobby. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa lobby ng hotel and mag-check out na tayo because Maya-maya lang darating na yung driver natin. Good morning, guys! Again! So, nakalabas na tayo ng hotel and maglalakad na tayo papunta sa ating special transfer going to Sapa. Can you feel it? May konting smoke. So guys, it's 10 degree. It feels like 2 degrees sa lamig. And we're still walking papunta dun sa private transfer natin. Kasi naka-close yung daan. So hindi makakapasok para pick upin tayo sa mismo hotel. Pero okay lang. Kasi wala namang problema maglakad. Lalo na kung ganito kalamig, di ba? Oh my God, excited na ako for Sapa kasi kung 10 degree dito sa Hanoi, mas malamig sa Sapa. So nakita nyo guys, ilang hila ni Kuya yung luggage natin. Lamig. So ito na yung private transfer natin going to Sapa. Sakay na tayo. Good morning. Ayan, nakasakay na tayo. Naipit yung kamay ko. Ang sakit. Okay. Nakasakay na tayo and niload na yung luggage sa likod. We are now going to Sapa. I'm so excited. Okay guys, nag-stop over muna tayo dito para makapag toilet kasi kailangan din mag-see B2P. Dami tinda rin dito. So guys, nakapag-toilet na tayo and I grabbed some sausage pero hindi ito Taiwan sausage it's a Vietnam sausage. Bumili rin tayo ng Lay's and water. Also, I grabbed a green mango and jackfruit para mamaya meron tayong kakainin. Okay. So, tikman natin yung Vietnam sausage. Nice So, naubos na natin yung Vietnam sausage and Yung green mango. Balik na tayo sa car. Ang lamig! Okay. Ang ganda. Again, hindi ako makasawang sabihin na I love cold weather. Masaya pag cold weather. Sakay na tayo. Ito yung car.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place that is hard. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in this room, trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm jealous. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place that is hard. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no.
Okay guys, so we finally reached Sapa and ang lamig, grabe. Ito yung hotel natin. It's Aliana Boutique Hotel. Tapos ito lang yung Viet Trekking. Itong brown na to.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you again.
Bye-bye. Thank you. So, pasok na tayo sa hotel. Xin chào. Pasok na tayo. Xin chào. Hello. Yes. So guys, check-in na muna tayo. Ito yung lobby.
That's good.
Okay, pasok na tayo. Akyat na tayo sa ating hotel room dito sa Aliana Boutique Hotel. Pasok na tayo sa elevator. Ayan. So sa third level tayo. Grabe guys, ang lamig dito. Ayan, saya-saya. Wow, look, ang ganda. I think this is, yeah, over here.
Please, your hand.
Ang ganda ng hotel. Pasok na tayo sa hotel. Look at that. Guys, nandito tayo sa ating room and bigyan ko kayo ng quick room tour. Pagpasok nyo, ito yung toilet. Ayan. Hello. Ito yung sink. And then, the shower. Malaki yung CR niya. Very spacious. Tapos, we have a mirror here. Full and body mirror. This is the television, the bed, the sofa, the couch, the vanity mirror, and we have a veranda. And as you can see guys, may nakikita ba kayo? May nakikita ba kayo? Kasi ako wala akong makita. Tapos ito yung Viet Trekking. Ito lang yung Viet Trekking na hotel. Tapos, since winter ngayon, at sobrang foggy, hindi natin makikita yung dumadaan na train, yung sikat na train. So, okay lang. Kasi, masaya pa rin kasi winter. So, no complaints at all. And grabe, napakalamig. Pahinga na muna tayo, tapos roam around tayo maya-maya.